Welcome back to my YouTube channel Grandpa Mathematics. Today we'll be doing some more problems on miscellaneous exercise. So in this problem we have to find the area of the region, the set of ordered pairs x comma y such that y square less than or equal to 4x, 4x square plus 4y square less than or equal to 9. Y square is equal to 4x is a right-handed parabola with the vertex at the origin. 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9 is a circle with the center at the origin. Y square is equal to 4x is the equation of parabola. We will take equation 1. This one we can write as x square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4, that we can write as 3 by 2 whole square. So equation 2. Now, to see where the parabola intersect the circle, we have to solve the equations of 1 and 2. So y square is equal to 4x, x square plus for y square we can put 4x. From 1 and 2 we get x square, for y square we will put 4x is equal to 9 by 4. Now we have to find two numbers such that the sum is 16 and product is minus 36. So it will be plus 18 and minus 2. So this gives the value of x is equal to half and x is equal to minus 9 by 2. If you put y is equal to minus 9 by 2, then y square is minus 18. We will not get any real values. So this we are not taking. We will be taking only x is equal to half. When x is a half, y is equal to half 2 plus or minus root 2. So the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0 and the equation both parabola and circle intersect at x is half. So the equation of this line is x is equal to half. So the equation of parabola is y square is 4x, so y is equal to 2 root x, and for circle is equal to 9 minus 4x square. So y square is equal to minus x square under root. So equation of circle is y is equal to, now y square is less than or equal to 4x. Y square less than or equal to 4x is the parabola. This point is 3 by 2 comma 0 because the radius of the circle is 3 by 2 units. Now we will take a point inside the parabola. So this point is half comma 0. Point P is half comma 0. To see whether this point is a solution for this parabola, we will substitute here. What is y here? Y is 0. LHS is y is 0, RHS 4 times half is equal to 2. So 0 less than 2. So LHS less than RHS. So P of comma 0 is a solution to y square less than 4x. So this means the solution for this parabola will be inside here this way. Now we have to see for the circle. Again we will take the same point half comma 0 is half comma 0 on this equation. 4x square plus 4y square less than 9. LHS is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 0 is equal to 4, 1 by 4, so this is 1. RHS is equal to 9, 1 less than 9. So LHS less than RHS, LHS less than RHS, therefore P of comma 0 is a solution of 4x square plus 4y square less than 9. Therefore, for this circle, these are the solutions. Inside. And this is the region satisfying both conditions. This region satisfies both conditions. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. So OPQR. Now this shaded region is symmetrically about x-axis. We can find the area of this region, then we can multiply by 2. A by 2 is equal to, now x is 0, x is half. Yeah, through Q also we should draw one line parallel to y-axis, and the equation of this line is x is equal to 3 by 2. Since this line passes through 3 by 2 comma 0. Now x is 0, x is half. X is 0, x is half. Equation of this line, this is a parabola, that is y is equal to 2 root x. 2 root x dx plus x is half, x is 3 by 2. And this portion, this is the equation of part, this is the circle, part of circle. So equation of circle is square root of 9 by 4 minus x square. So it will be square root of 3 by 2 whole square minus x square dx. Now we have to evaluate the definite integral. So this is equal to 2 times x power half plus 1 by half plus 1, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 0 to half, plus this is in the form of integral square root of a square minus x square dx. So x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2, a is 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 whole square by 2 sin inverse x by a is 3 by 2, limit half to 3 by 2. This will be 4 by 3 times. For x we have to put half, so x into root x, x is half, root x is 1 by root 2, plus if we substitute lower limit it will become 0. So now for x we will substitute the upper limit 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 by 2 square root of 9 by 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4, so this term becomes 0, plus 9 by 4, 9 by 8 sin inverse, for x we are substituting 3 by 2, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 is 1, so sin inverse 1 minus, for x we will substitute half, so 1 by 2 by 2, 1 by 4 into square root of 9 by 4, x is half, so 1 by 4, 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is 8 by 4, that is 2, so it will be root 2 plus 9 by 8 times sin inverse of x is a half, 1 by 2 by 3 by 2, so it will be 1 by 3. So now this is equal to 2 root 2, so root 2 by 3, 9 by 8 times sin inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus root 2 by 4 minus 9 by 8 times sin inverse 1 by 3. Root 2 by 3 minus root 2 by 4, so it will be root 2 by 12, then plus 9 by 16 times pi minus 9 by 8 times sin inverse 1 by 3, this is a by 2, therefore a is equal to 2 times this is root 2 by 6, 9 by 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 times sin inverse 1 by 3 square units. So this is the answer. Here we have to find the area of the region bounded by the line y is 3x plus 2 x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. So we'll draw the rough sketch of these lines. So x is minus 1. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 is a line parallel to y-axis. So on the figure, x is equal to 1. Again a line parallel to y-axis. Now, to draw the sketch of this line y is 3x plus 2, we have to solve this equation with x is minus 1. So y is 3x plus 2, x is minus 1, therefore y is equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. So this line intersect the line x is minus 1. At x is minus 1, y is also minus 1. X is minus 1, y is also minus 1. Minus 1 comma minus 1. Now we have to see where this line intersect the line x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. X is equal to 1. So x is 1, y is 5. So 1 comma 5. So we know 2 points where this line intersect these two lines. Now we can join these 2 points to get the y is 3x plus 2. See, the graph of y is 3x plus 2 intersect the x-axis. So we have to see where this line intersect the x-axis. So y is equal to 3x plus 2, put y is 0. So at x is minus 2 by 3, so this point is minus 2 by 3 comma 0. P, Q, R. A be the area of the region bounded by this line x-axis and the ordinate x is minus 1 and x is equal to 1. Therefore, A is equal to x is minus 1. What is the equation of this line? X is minus 2 by 3. The x coordinate of the intersection of the line with the x-axis minus 2 by 3. So the equation of this line is minus 2 by 3. Therefore, x is minus 1, x is minus 2 by 3. So integral minus 1 to minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, equation of this line is 3x, y is 3x plus 2 dx. But this part of straight line is below the x-axis. So for this we have to take the modulus sign. You should not forget this, because part of this line is below the x-axis. So we have to take modulus of that, because area cannot be negative. So x is minus 1 to minus 2 by 3. For that region we have to take a modulus. Then x is minus 2 by 3, x is 1. 1. Then the equation of the line is 3x plus 2 dx. We have to evaluate this definite integral. So modulus of this is 3x square by 2 plus 2x, limit minus 1 to minus 2 by 3 plus 3x square by 2 plus 2x, limit minus 2 by 3 to 1. For x, we will substitute minus 2 by 3. So modulus of 3 by 2 x square So 4 by 9 plus 2 times minus 2 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 minus, now for x we will substitute the lower limit. X is minus 1, x square is 1, so it will be 3 by 2 minus 2 plus, for x substitute upper limit 1. So 3 by 2 plus 2 minus, for x will substitute minus 2 by 3. So 3 by 2 into 4 by 9. Then minus 4 by 3. Therefore, A is equal to, this will be 2 by 3 modulus of 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. This is minus half, so it will be plus half. Plus 7 by 2 minus 2 by 3. This will be minus 2 by 3 plus half plus 7 by 2 minus of minus 4 plus 3. So minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 by 6 is 1 by 6. This is 25 by 6 is equal to 26 by 6. (13 by 3 square units). So this is the answer. We have to find the area of the region above the x-axis included between the parabola y square is equal to ax and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2ax. Y square is equal to ax is a right-handed parabola with vertex at origin as shown in the figure. X square plus y square is equal to 2ax is a circle. We have to find the center and radius of the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 2ax. We can write this as x square minus 2ax plus y square is equal to 0. Square minus 2x a plus a square plus y square is equal to a square. So for this portion we can write x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square. So center of the circle is at a comma 0 and radius again a unit. We'll also draw the circle center at a comma 0 with radius a units. So this is circle with the center at a comma 0 and radius a units, and y square is equal to 4ax is the right-handed parabola. Find the area of the region above the x-axis between the parabola and the circle. So that means find the intersection of the parabola with the circle. We have to see where the circle intersects the parabola. So x square plus y square is equal to 2ax, equation of circle. Y square is equal to ax, equation of parabola. So on solving equation 1 and 2, we will get where the parabola intersect the circle. So y square will put ax, x is 0 and x is equal to a. We have to find the area of this shaded region. The equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0 and equation of this line is x is equal to a, x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square. From here we can get y square is equal to a square minus of x minus a whole square. So what is the equation of circle now? Y is equal to square root of a square minus x minus a whole square. And equation of parabola is y is equal to root a root x. Let a be the required area above x-axis and above x-axis included above x-axis included between parabola and circle. A is equal to x is 0, x is a. So x is 0 to a. We take the equation of the circle. Y is equal to square root of a square minus x minus a whole square minus, then equation of parabola is root a root x dx. So this is equal to, this is in the form of integral square root of a square minus x square, x by 2, here x in place of x, x minus a is there. So x minus a by 2 square root of a square minus x minus a whole square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 limit 0 to a. For x we will substitute the upper limit a. So a minus a 0 comes, this term 0. A square by 2 sine inverse a minus a again 0 minus root a times two by 3 minus 2 by 3 root a. Again for x put a power 3 by 2 a root a minus, put x is 0, a square by 2 sine inverse of minus 1. X is 0 means minus a by a minus 1. So this is nothing but minus 2 by 3 times a square. Sine inverse minus 1 is minus sine inverse 1. So it will become plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi a square by 4. So this is equal to pi by 4 minus 2 by 3 a square square root. So this is the answer. Now same problem I am just adding and here. Adding and, that is, find the area of the region above x-axis and included between the parabola and circle. Now the problem will be entirely different from what we had done earlier. Now I am striking this. This is example 7. NCERT textbook. Now, area of the region above x-axis and included between the parabola is the parabola and the circle. This area we have to find now. By adding and, the shaded region becomes like this. Let A be the required area. So x is 0, x is a, this is 2a comma 0. So equation of this line is x is equal to 2a. So a is equal to x is 0, x is a, interval x is 0 to a, equation of parabola y is equal to root a root x. So root a root x dx plus this gives the area of this portion. To find the area of this one, x is a, x is 2a. This is part of circle. So take equation of circle is square root of y is equal to square root of a square minus x minus a whole square dx. So root a, if we integrate root x, what will come? X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 limit 0 to a plus, then this is in the form of integral square root of a square minus x square. So x by 2, so x minus a by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Limit a to 2a. So here for x we'll substitute the upper limit 2 by 3 times root a, then a root a. When you substitute lower limit, it will become 0 plus, if you substitute x is 2a, 2a minus a by 2, a by 2 square root of a square minus x is 2a, 2a minus a is a square minus a square becomes 0, so this will become 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse. For x put 2a minus a by a sin inverse 1, that is pi by 2, minus we put x is a, lower limit, this will become 0, then minus a square by 2, x is a means this will become again 0. So answer will be 2 by 3 times a square plus pi a square by 4. So 2 by 3 plus pi by 4 a square units. So this is the answer. By adding under, the problem becomes completely different from what we had done earlier.